Darrell Issa voted for a government shutdown he says was no big deal.
So, is it small? Yes, it's small. Is it worth a shutdown? Of course not.
According to Standard & Poor's, it cost $24 billion and cut services like cancer trials.
This is a potential life-saving drug, and to be told that it's going to be postponed because a shutdown occurred was rather upsetting.
Death benefits.
For these troops just killed in Afghanistan, their families are being denied government death benefits until the shutdown is over.
Shouldn't we be embarrassed about this?
Federal courts. What happens when the current stopgap funding runs out in January?
The constitutional mandate is not to accede to your wishes on legislation that's already passed. You know that, and you did shut down the government.
Well, Chris,
there's no reason to be glib
no,
about that. But I have a question.
I'm not going to let you. I'm not going to let you have a pass on that.
You're not letting me have a pass. You just said a shutdown isn't worth it, but you shut down the government.
Stop Darrell Issa's ongoing threat to shut down the government. November 4th, vote for Dave Pizer.